Do you want better privacy while browsing in secret mode, or maybe you want fewer ads tracking you everywhere? Today I will show you how to adjust smart anti-tracking in Samsung Internet and also explain which recommended setting including automatic verification. On the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can choose how much tracking protection you want when using secret mode in Samsung Internet. And the good thing is the options are very simple. To do so, open Samsung Internet app. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right. Then tap Setting. Tap Personal Browsing Data. Tap Secret Mode Setting. Here, tap Smart Anti-Tracking. Now you will see two options. Standard. This blocks all trackers except the ones required for website to work. So site will behave normally, but ads might be less personalized. And strict. This blocks all trackers. Ads will have almost zero personalization, but some websites might not work properly. Below that, there's another option called automatic verification. When this option is on, this helps keep chapters on supported website and it prevents the site from using verification data to track you. It also makes browsing faster and smoother. As the example, let's go with strict anti-tracking and keep automatic verification on for the best privacy and convenience. After choosing your setting, just go back and you are done. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.